In this video, we're going to discuss the steps needed to add a company to your agency. From your agency homepage, simply select the link to add a company. Here we'll see we have different options in ways we can add a company, but for this video, we're going to add a company, start from scratch. Here we'll be provided with the opportunity to enter a few key details for this company, including their name, the state in which they're governed, as well as their SIC code. You'll notice that as we type the name, the unique identifier will automatically populate for this group. To the right, you'll also see you have the opportunity to control which users at your agency have access to this company. By default, the user creating the company has access. To add access to any additional users, simply select the checkbox next to their name, and when you're ready, select Create. Congratulations, you've just added a company. Now, to complete the company profile, navigate to the tab Settings. And from here, just a few bits of information need to be added, including the company's address, their primary email default type, as well as their tax ID number. Here we have confirmation that our company has been created and our profile saved. Next up, we'll talk about class structure. Class structure is where we can house different identifiers that are used to identify employees in different groups. Here we can see there are different types of class structure, including classes, departments, divisions, business units, offices, classes, and geographic areas. For our purposes today, though, we'll stick with just adding classes. We can see here that Employee Navigator has already created a class by default called Default. If we want to make a change to that, we simply select Edit. Here we can change not only the name of this class, we can also control the pay frequency. And in the pay frequency, this is older functionality in our system. It's highly recommended that you use payroll groups. So for our purposes here, we'll rename the class from default to full-time, and then we're going to set that pay frequency back to select, and then select Save. We have an additional class to add, so to add another class, simply select Add a Class. And again here, populate the name. This time we don't have to set the pay frequency, we can leave it at Select, and then hit Save. Our second class is going to be titled Part-Time. For our purposes today, that's all the information that was necessary. You can see here there's lots more information available to you under the Settings tab. But again, this is all that's needed in order to get the profile and structure of the company created. Once we've completed the setup of our class structure, the last component we'd like to add is a payroll group. To do so, simply navigate to the tab Payroll, select the link for Add a Payroll Group, and from here you'll see we'll start with just some basic information, including the name of the payroll group as well as the frequency. Once we've saved our changes, we'll see now we've been directed to complete some information about the payroll calendar. We have to provide the first pay date of the year for this company. To make a change, simply select the field and select that first pay date of the year for this company. The next thing we have to address is how the company handles when a pay date falls on a weekend. We have some options here. We can click the drop-down menu. And for our company, we're going to say they pay the Monday after the weekend. To save these changes, simply select Next. Now we can get a view of our calendar, scrolling down to verify the dates match the company's payroll. Everything looks good here. We're going to go ahead and select Save to save the changes that we've made here. Once again, while we can see that there are many other options available on this page, this is all that's necessary in order to set up a payroll group. Simply return to the payroll dashboard by either selecting the dashboard from the left or reselecting the Payroll tab from the top. There we have it.